Hi, welcome back. You're with Trading Hour, and here's our special series, the CNBC TV18 Weekender. My colleague Mangala Malu gets up close and personal with Titan's Managing Director CK Venkataraman. So let's hear out a slice of that chat.
Rakesh Jhunjhunwala passed away. Did you have any story of the time that you spent with him?
You know, Rakesh was such a wonderful person also, apart from the legendary wealth creator that he was. And I've been to his home multiple times, and he has been such a fabulous host there, giving me the tastiest of mangoes, from wherever he got them. And even in the most challenging questions that he had asked us, it was always with respect to us as management. So, a lot of memories and really heartbroken.
They still hold about 5 crore shares in the company, 5.05 crore shares. Has there been any word on the future of their holding?
Actually, we are not really looking at that. Like I had said in a recent interview, Rakesh believed so much in the fundamentals of Titan company, right? And finally, his belief, sort of proved right, and the fundamentals of Titan company continued to be as strong, if not stronger. So there is no reason for anything like what you are describing to happen at all, in my view. But we are certainly not in conversation of any such thing.
It's interesting that, unfortunately he didn't live to see the vision that he had for India and for Titan as well, the vision that you guys have, almost 60,000 crores in jewelry sales by FY27. You do all the maths together, comes to around 75,000 crores. Put all the verticals together in terms of revenues. Is that the number which is...
Obviously, in the investor conference, the parts were there. Like we did say 10,000 crores MRP from watches, 2.5x from jewelry, so much from Taner and all that. You add all that, it is taking us to the ballpark of that. So it's just that the 10,000 of watches, there is no 77,000 sitting in my head for me to confirm.
I completely understand that. So, what we want to know then is that at that level of scale, you would have all the pieces in place and all the pieces in scale as well. So what would the operating leverage come to be? And your margins currently are at the highest that we've seen, at least in the last many quarters, if not history. So what would they be then at that level?
I would say that scale represents the potential to significantly improve our profitability.
And you also entered the cost-cutting program right before the pandemic happened, and that helped you during the pandemic as well. How much of those synergies have been realized already? How much of that is yet to be realized?
Some of it continues. Some of it was situational, which was required for that period. But what we've ended up achieving is the ownership of profit and balance sheet. And that is the backbone of our predictable continuing performance.
Since you spoke about ownership of the gross margins, the EBITDA margins among the employees, etc., what I wanted to understand is that CaratLane is growing extremely fast. It's broken even, and it's also contributing to the operational performance of the company very well. At that scale, are you tempted to buy more of CaratLane?
CaratLane is actually a fabulous decision that we took in 2015. But at 75% plus ownership, we are in a very comfortable position in any case.
Yeah.
And Mithun and team and Titan management, some of us are also on the board of CaratLane. So we've worked so well together to capitalize on the synergies of this. So there is nothing like that at the moment to share.
I gathered that you are a singer. You love Mohammed Rafi songs.
Venkat the pest. Yeah.
But now we're by the water. We have our feet dipped here. There is the sound of the water. You want to hum a couple of lines?
अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
Wow.
Well, and that's exactly how we feel about this chat as well. Catch snippets of this conversation through the day today only on CNBC TV 18. And with that, we'll wind up on Trading Hour. Stay tuned. Halftime report is up next.